Hi, welcome guys and साइक्लोम में आपका स्वागत है. In this video we are discussing Gujarati assignments of 12th class. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. You can contact us on our number, which is 900-936-8238, where you can contact anytime. And that you can see in the assignment. 1, 2, 3 questions are about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 about to 100. This is actually 20 to 30 words, right? And question number 6 is 70 to 80 words. We have prepared all the answers according to the marks and according to the language wise, according to the everything which they have given. So if you need the answers, you can contact anytime so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much.